Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a wish tree in Kalamkari art style. Actually, I should not call it wish tree. I should call it tree of life. There is a basic difference between wish tree and tree of life. In wish tree, we draw fruits, flower, rocks, seeds, leaves, and in tree of life, we show the animals along with these. So in our drawing, we are going to draw animals also. So let's start. So tree of life means we'll draw rocks, we'll draw peacocks, birds, we can draw elephant, we can draw any animal, and we'll draw lots of flowers, leaves, etc. So before we start anything, I request you to leave at least 3 centimeter on all the four sides for the framing. Then draw border according to your wish. It depends on your paper or your canvas how big it is. Okay, mine is very big, so I'm leaving less space here, and I will just give a thin border because my canvas is already stretched one, so I don't have to get it framed. It's already framed. So I'm leaving this much distance on all the four sides. Just take your own measurements because each one is doing on a different side, paper or canvas. So we cannot have one standard measurement. Leave some place for framing and then leave minimum 3 centimeter for border. Now you have learned so many borders. You can select any one, whichever you like. Okay? So you can select any border. I have not yet decided. I'll just decide now. I'm not using ordinary pencil. I'm using this color pencil because I just found that it's not smudging so much as ordinary pencil. Okay, so I have left the design, space for design in the center and space for border. Now for border we have to decide a design. Okay, so we can have lotus or we can have anything, whichever you like, or we can have simple flowers also. That is very easy because design is very complicated, so it's better to have a simple flower motif. I'm drawing these circles so that my design will remain in this. We have drawn circles, and now in the circle I'm going to show you how to draw the design. To make sure that all are in same line, I'm marking the dots here. In Kalamkari, Madhubani, wherever Pattachitra also, wherever we want to leave white space, we don't put any color. But we are not doing pure work, we are doing contemporary work. Okay, so I'll start now. The base, how to draw the base. See, find out how much is this distance. Like in my case, it is 41. So what I have done, I have left 10.5 here and I have left exactly 10.5 here. And then the center space, I am drawing the rods. I think everybody knows the story of wish tree. During the Samudra Manthan, wish tree came out, and along with wish tree, lots of animals also came. So in all the art set forms, they draw the wish tree, and it is very important. So these are symbolic rods. We have a choice. We can make full wish tree in black and white and maybe add one or two colors more and give the background color, or make this one colorful and leave the background as white or off-white. Okay, so it is our choice. What do we want to do? Now I'll come to main design of tree. To start drawing the tree, first thing I'll give an outline of the tree. Once if outline is there, then flowers and all, it's not necessary that you draw these only. You have learned many other flower design in Kalamkari art. You can draw any one of them. This is one of the feet which is visible, but it is hidden behind the rocks. This is our peacock. So now we are going to paint the background. So the advantage of this paper is that whatever things are falling, they are falling on the paper. Okay, let's come to a flower and then we'll go to the peacock. So for flower, there is lots of intricate work. I'm planning to use only red and light blue, and black is already there, and we are going to use 000 number brush. Now we'll come to the leaves In leaves, we are using 2 or 3 greens. One is this green, light green of Fevicryl. This is the green of Pabio, parrot green, and this is normal dark green. So that we will do here and there. We keep on changing the color of leaf. I think light green will look nice with black color. painting is complete. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.